I apologize for all the videos being mashed up, but I'm trying to do what I can. I'm also getting ready to go to college while working, so that's not going to be fun. If you don't want me to go to college and you want me to finish my cars, subscribe. I'm just kidding. But, so I have good news. I went to work. I did all the, well, not all of them, but I did a few of them, of the spark plug wires. And, I'm on my last one. Rue, can't you see? We're vlogging. I'm on the last one, but before I finish, I wanted to show you guys how to do it, so that you guys at least see one of them get done. I have done 3 already. They're all connected on the car. They're ready to go. So the car's that much closer to being put together completely. I already started talking to a few people about who I'm gonna go with to get my downpipe made, because I need a new one since I'm running a different turbo. And the tuning is gonna be put into play too. So everything's coming together. This is like literally the last 2 things that are needed, which is the downpipe and the tune. Drive it around and get it retuned maybe. We'll find out. I'm really excited. It's coming along. But let me show you guys what we need for the... I just gave you some. Let me show you guys how we do the spark plug wire. So I have my wire. I did label it. This is going to be T2, because on a rotary there's 4 spark plugs, 2 per housing per rotor. There's 1 trailing, 1 leading. But I already marked my line here. This is how long I'm going to want it. I already measured it out and everything. Some essential things you need to do this that will make life easier. You'll need a crimp. Well, this one's not super essential, but it does help. I borrowed this from my boss at work. Thank you, Lord. That guy is a good man. This tool comes with the MSD kit. Hello, Rue. This tool comes with the MSD kit. It's what you use to close these fittings together. In the recommendations from checking out what you have to do, you do have to bend these 90 degrees like I did. Usually they just be kind of like curved, a little bit more straight than this. So if you want a good connection, you want a good bite, 90 degree, so that's good. And that goes in here. So that goes in here. That gets squeezed in, and then it clamps on the wire. The crimping part is for the smaller part right here. I'll show you guys I can show you guys right now actually. It holds, it's for this wire to be held in between, so yeah. And another essential thing, this one is actually the most essential part that you need. It is I just went to like my local Artapod store. Dielectric grease. This is good for like electrical connections and all sorts of stuff. And that is because this actually is important, because when you're putting the boot on to the wire, if it's dry, it will not go at all. Why are you being so needy? What? And then this tool that it comes with, it's kind of dark, but so you put the wire in here, and then I'll show you. This is 2 sizes, but so you put the wire in here, wires in, and you get the blade. Then you smack it right here, hold it down, hold it down so it sits flat, and then you spin the wire, and it'll cut off the protective layer. Let me do that right now. Unfortunately, I don't have my stand, so I'll show you guys when I'm done doing it. So it's like that. So it's in. Put a little bit of grease to help it stay down, but just gonna crimp this. So once you have it all crimped up, the next and final step is to put it in here, like just like that. These things don't really matter because you're gonna be closing this together. Since I don't have a vise at my house, my next best option is to use this. So I'm just gonna put that and then tighten it as best I can. Should work. All the way flush. Now take it out. And it's on there, nice and good. And then the last part is what we needed this part for. Without that grease, this will be one of the hardest things to do. From what I've seen, some people tell you to put it on first and then put it and then slide it out. I feel like it's just easier to just grease this inside right here and try to pop it in. So look inside. Boom. Done and done. Spark plug wire.